This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kathy Devine. Long-range year-round mountain views, milled log siding, quality construction. This turnkey top-shelf furnished home will delight you with its custom finishes and new furnishings. Your ultimate mountain home. Open floor plan, lots of natural light and room for family and friends. Main floor features kitchen with large island, leather finished granite, and spacious master suite with double vanity bathroom. Step outside the great room to a covered outdoor wood-burning fireplace. Upper level spacious bedroom suite has outside balcony and bonus room perfect for an office. Lower level features a family room with wet bar, refrigerator, sink, sound system, video, dart and foosball games. Full bathroom and inviting bunkroom for the kids also on this level. Walk out to the hot tub. Will make an awesome rental, 2ND home or primary. Close to McCaysville and short drive to Blue Ridge. Enjoy tubing, hiking and fishing trout streams and Horseshoe Bend Park nearby. Simply an outstanding destination. For more information,